Science and technology leads life. IMAS Robot Vacuum Cleaner machine include 4 technology: Interstellar AM380 chip, SLAM map building, gyroscope accurate navigation, and motion control arithmetic. SLAM map building combined with gyroscope navigation, real efficient coverage. Gyroscope accurate navigation, cleaning path regular and effective, not yaw. The machine used the DC brushless motor. Motion control arithmetic, active learning, capacity fill up the emissive place. Barriers rebound unbound mode, mean complicated environment, intelligent unbound immediately. Breakpoint duration cleaning, automatic memory return to base charging. Continue to finish the task after full charging. Thin body, can cleaning the dead zone easily, walking freely under the furniture. Hair invincible opponent with power suction, 20% larger suction power than the ordinary cleaning power. Can clean up all kinds of hairs and large grain dust and dirt. Bow tie cleaning, regular and efficient coverage. Cleaning up the key place. Edgewise cleaning with wall following sensor, lengthen brush, cleaning up the wall corner and gap. Partial cleaning, farewell the blind and repetitive cleaning. Reduce the cleaning repetitive rate. Promote suction power cleaning. Suction power is strengthened more than 20%. Cleaning, sucking, and mopping integration, multi-purpose, hands-free, and make more time to enjoy your life. Water tank with sensor, water supply homogeneous, make your place clean and quick drying. Precise induction, prevent heating automatically. With precise sensor, can avoid the rammer effectively. Prevent dropping function design. Can reaction for the drop environment. Prevent hitting and dropping. Automatic recharge when the power lower than 20%. The robot vacuum cleaner was setting the recharge roadmap by 180 degrees. Clean, so excellent. IMAS Robot Vacuum Cleaner.